Hey friends, it's Sachi. So this video is about the birthday surprise ideas. Who doesn't like birthdays? Birthdays are like small vacations in your daily life. And birthdays of your dear and near ones will definitely put a pressure to do something extraordinary, to surprise them with something which you really wanted to. So in this video I'm gonna tell you about mini surprise ideas which you can make yourself, some DIYs and some easygoing and fun going ideas to surprise your dear ones, to your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, anyone you would like to. So stay tuned and enjoy. Now the first thing which I have bought is like semi DIY. I have purchased this album from archies for 600 rupees. You can see this. It's like a small memory album, and you can paste the photos and write whatever you want to. So this album starts like this, making beautiful memories together. Surprise which you can give is these envelopes. Ding! So these envelopes are super easy to make and a really super cool idea. And you can put each envelope at different places, like one in cupboard, one in drawer, one in office bag or school bag or college bag, or is it different places.
Now to start with, take A4 size colorful sheets. Mark its center and cut them in 2 equal parts. Now you need a complete size newspaper. Fold that newspaper from 3 sides, taking the proper dimension of the sheet. Now using the Fevicol, paste it in the desired manner. Likewise, you can make as many envelopes as you want. Now take photographs and cut them in equal size and related to the memories which you want to share with your loved ones. Now the envelopes are ready.
Third idea is balloons. Doesn't matter how old you are, but who doesn't like a room full of balloons? So you can surprise him or her with a room full of balloons. I hope you like these ideas and we're definitely going to implement one of them. If you are going to, please comment which idea you are flowing to, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Bye.